Two States was never a rom-com. It's genuinely a romantic family film, and it's a love story of two families, and that's what drew me towards the material. I related a lot. It's something that's happened in all our houses. कहीं ना कहीं ये बात हो चुकी है where we've spoken about अच्छा लड़का कहाँ से अच्छा क्या करता है ओहो अच्छा गुजराती है ओहो अच्छा but वो conversation सबके घर पे कहीं ना कभी दोस्तों के साथ relatives के साथ हो चुकी है and it exists in society. So I think it's a fair reflection of modern day India. With the generations that have gone beyond. So I really like that about Two States as a script and exactly what Chetan wrote. I'm really glad to be a part of it.
कल का मैंने एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा था तो आपने कहा था कि रणबीर कपूर जो है आपको बहुत ही एडोरेबल लगते हैं और आप उनसे शादी भी करना चाहते हैं।
पहले तो आपको तो पता है being in this industry, if I want to marry somebody, I will never say it on national television and especially on Coffee with Karan. So it was all said just in jest. I'm a fan girl at the end of the day. When I say I want to marry Ranbir Kapoor, it's not that I literally want to marry him. It's just like a fan girl, you know, जो आप किसी को घर ले जाना चाहते हो मम्मी पापा से मिलवाने. लोग कहते हैं ना Scarlett Johansson बहुत beautiful है. Guys say that we want, but never will they get Scarlett Johansson in their life. So this was something like that. I said like a fan girl. It's not like I really want to marry Ranbir.
You know, I still have to live my life, and I really considered doing, but I'm not doing it right now. Doing I've never done a sequel to any of my books, but I thought this one could make because, and I have the tagline for it. That is getting married was the easy part. So you know, Two States Part 2, getting married was the easy part. So, but I think I like to now do things out of my life. Actually, I think as a writer develops, it's better to do other fictional stories. Occasionally do it. I haven't done anything on my banking days. I haven't done anything on my Bollywood days. I haven't done anything on the politics stuff.
On fatherhood also.
On fatherhood. So there is a lot left. But I think it is difficult because you have to get used to the idea that your own life has been used to make a story which is now going to become a movie. It takes a lot out of you. Emotionally, it's not easy actually.